All right, here we go. Let's see. What's up with this, man? Is this gonna make it? Interesting little gap there. How much size are we taking on this? With the spread, maybe 100 shares. It's coming down. It's coming down. Maybe a dip into this area one more time. VWAP is going to be 1023. Stop at 10. If I can get a dip down there, stop at 10. Nope. No dip there. Here we go. Dip at 10. Dip at 10. I'll try 50 to see how well this responds to a dip. 995 is the hold down though. I'd be buying it really close to the hold down. This has no gaps. Well, I guess there was a gap down here, I guess, but that didn't seem like it would hold. Okay, here we go. So this has possible gap forming right above the 41. Waiting for this to dip into this zone and hold and not hold down. 46 to 09. I don't really want it to get down closer to the full. I'll take. Got caught there. Please get me out. Please get me out. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Okay. Ugh. Jumping into this dip and get caught there. Okay, whatever. Is anything better? Rhyme is working better. Alright, hold on. Okay, what's actually moving? This is coming down. NCI potential move here into this gap or what? 82 to 65. Taking it easy now because it's pretty choppy out there. Let's see. Nothing yet. Alright, should we try another dip on this? The only thing that could be provide a great bounce on this. 86. It's gonna be a dip into, it's a large gap, so we're gonna take a dip into it and just a quick stop. Not messing around with this. Hopefully a break even stop if it wants to keep going lower. But not, if not, I might just catch a small loss here. Gonna try to see if we can catch a dip here. NCI moving. NCI is moving, but there we go. 70s. I'll take it. 74. Okay, nice, beautiful. Oh my gosh, absolutely gorgeous trade right there. So up to all the way up to 27. Now I'm gonna hold this thing, bro. You better give me a great trade here. You better give me an amazing trade here. Might be asking too much, but with how bullish these few 1 minutes, I can at least get a green candle so I can get in. My stop in has it's basically break even, so anything above here, it's like a winner for me. So hopefully we get a green candle here after that a nice print of green volume, green trade. There you go. Maybe I'll take half out at 30. There it is, 35. Nice. Take out half of 35. So small trade right here. Only 50 shares. There you go. Now pick it up there. 60 is good. So nice. So that was 50 shares. Nice 50 shares there. Let's size up a little bit, 100 shares. Good. All right. It wants to keep going. Excellent. Excellent. Got 30s, 40s, and 60s on that. Everything on this candle. Beautiful, beautiful bounce. NCI. Oh man. Rhyme. Also down. NCI is coming down a little bit. Let me see. NCI. NCI. If NCI wants to be interesting, there's a dip right there. NCI. NCI. Oh, forming a red gap. So what is this dip? 292, 262. Yeah, that could work. Okay, wow. Nice. We get a halt up. Nice. This is a 5-minute play right here. We got several areas where we could get a bounce. Wow. Nice. Nice, 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 nice. Great bounce. Great bounce. So this is in the gap. NCI. Low volume. I don't know. IVDA. Here we go. Give me a dip. A beautiful dip. Stop's gonna be 40. Oh, it's like, oh man, it's like so tight. Anything at 40 would be decent. Anything at 40? Two topping wicks there. It could go. It could squeeze this, but I want to see a dip at 40. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Nice dip at 40. VWAP is 40 as well. So anything at 40. Come on. Alright, whatever. I might not get it. Might not get it. Here we go. Might get it here in this candle. Try 3K maybe. It's like pretty tight. The stop's gonna be pretty tight. Come on, 40, 40, 40, 40. Waiting for my dip. And looks like I won't get it. Looks like it's gonna go. Alright, this one, we're assuming 40 seconds. Oh. And I'm looking for a dip at 10, 20, 10:27 to 10 here. So, assume that 40. It's gonna be a quick dip. Even I could even take it to like 980, like this area here, 980s. But ideally, it's 10:27 and $10. Oh wow, what happened to this? Was this real? Is this real? Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, 80s. I'll take it at 10. Green, 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 green. Oh no, I didn't like that. What was that? Yeah, what the heck was that? Okay. It's like a flash of, might have been a flash of red along with some green. Didn't really like that. So 80s here. Another one tight stop, 80s. Okay, gap reclaim at 10. 80s might be a good area there too, but it's forming a red gap. We need to close this red gap, man. Alright, well. Okay, there's no gap reclaim anymore. That's gone. Let's see. Let's see. Alright. This one was looking really good here for a dip, but not so much. Okay, maybe dip into this gap here. 952. What's my hold down? 898. Basically 9. So dip under 50. Right at stop around 30s. Maybe. I don't know. Maybe. Damn, today's pretty slow, huh? NCI again. Um, Slowly coming into this gap. That could be a good dip. Let's see, I'll take it. 50 to 30. I need to see the ask come a little lower. Hold down is 9, so I got some room, I think, to get out. Yeah, I'll take it. 54. I got in 54, which is not bad. I need to see green here. Lovely green. Stop is going to be right here at 10. Or rather, take profit area is going to be around 10. Come on, come on, come on, come on. you going? Are you going? Or are you not? Struggling there. Struggling there. Taking half. The green volume is pretty small and it's already more than a minute or like basically 20 C. Let's see, do you hold? Not hold. Hold 50s. Ideally wants to hold 50s, but it's coming down here and it might come down more. No thanks. So basically kind of like a break-even trade there. Well, we tried it. Oh, it bounced. Interesting. Bounced again. No. Alright. So we have here $3. It's going to be 337. In this red cap, don't really like it. Ideally gets away from it, but it's going to need some volume. Alright, we'll stay patient. Okay, it's the RSR here. 718, that low. We could take 400 shares maybe, 600. We need to see a dip here, the 20s. 10-cent stop, that would be good. Oh, this thing barely holding 30. Alright, here we go. Come on, give me a dip under 317, 730. It's a higher float, right? What's the float? 46 mil. Higher float. It's also higher flow. I'll take lower size. I don't know, higher floats, but the pattern looks great. The dips have been working. Right, so nice wicks here, so the dips could work. I'll take 400 and see if I can get another trade with bigger size, see if I get good resolution here. Below 36 with a stop at 18. That's the plan. Come on. Looking for this 36. 36, lower, lower, barely tapping it. That's the thing about the big flows, are like sellers and buyers at every level. So I would like to see a bottoming wick like we've seen before. That would be great. This candle could do it for the next one. It's going to take some time to develop. There we go. Low 30s would be nice. Low 30s. Even high 20s. I would love 20 in the 20s. I want to see the bottoming wick, you know? There it is, 36. 36, 36, come on. I need to see a bottoming wick. Come on, lower, lower, lower. Mm, don't know. Here we go. A little lower. Okay, well, I guess that was fine. That was fine, I guess. Hmm. Okay. That was great. Oh, I wanted to see a bottoming wick like we've seen before. I thought we would see it. But that was a good trade, maybe 35, 45 right there. Bottoming wick would be nice. Yeah, it's a larger float anyway. Uh, yeah, everything's pretty dead. Pretty dead. NCI. Okay, NCI, pulling up NCI and taking it away. Alright. NCI, right under 321. Let's go. Let's go. 321, 311. Yep, 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 yep. They're recording this. No, it's not gonna give me a dip. Not gonna give me a dip. I'll wait for a 5-minute gap then. Hasn't been good at giving dips into gaps. This one worked. Barely a dip into it. NCI. I mean, yeah, I could give a nice little move. 21 to 11. Yep, that's my entry. Entry window, beautiful. That's 314 is VWAP, so if we can tap VWAP. Now it looks like it's gonna go. It's gonna hold 30s. We'll see. There we go. 21. Dip right under 21. Could also be a 5-minute gap and go. Which is gonna fold. Sheesh. Alright. Stay patient here. We will stay patient. What a nice grind from this. Did not take it. It also moves weird, right? Mid cap, larger flow. Moves weird. Oh, here we go, here we go. Or not moves weird, but moves it away I'm not used to. 21 to 11. I can get a dip here. I'll take it. Quick stop. Ooh, nice. Almost got stopped out 19. Looking would have been looking for a lower entry. Good. 31. I love this. Love this. Love this. Here we go. Nice. Getting some on the 40s as well. Every 10 cents, I'm getting something out here. Give 40s one more try. 40s one more shot. Let's see. Ooh. What's happening? Oh, wow. All right, looks like I had a open order. I tried to cancel it. Ended up eating a big loss there. That sucks. Stopping out at $3. What the heck, man? What the heck? I had an order out. I totally forgot about it. And then this thing dropped really quickly. Didn't get out. Didn't get out in time. All right, after a terrible management, let's see if I can get a trade 292. Yeah, it's gonna spike again soon. Anything under 3, I'll take anything under 3, honestly. Right at the top of the gap setup, see if I can get a little something here. 90, at least 92. Here we go. Tight stop. Nothing, bro. IVDA again. Let's do IVDA, bro. Oh, here we go. Another dip. Oh, this gave a nice bounce there. Cool. There we go. Quite take it yet. Get a little lower. What's this low? 86. What's it gonna be? I don't know. IBDA, good, good, good. Good stuff here. Now let's take a gap and go over 40. Let's do 2K. Let's do 3K. Does he a squeeze? Something's got a squeeze today. It's gonna be IVDA. 80s, 70s. Let's see. All right, here we go. Looking for this to squeeze now. That was four green candles in a row. 4 or 5 minute green candles in a row. That was a hold 40, 88. Yeah. Dang. All right. Coming down again. Oh my goodness. Down here at 39. Dip. 38. What's it gonna be? What is it gonna be here? Hold you hold 39. Big red gap. Yeesh. Yeah, looks like it held 39, but it's too slow. Things are very slow. $81 is as low. Alright. Okay, can we get a nice little trade here? What's the low for this? 62? Yeah, I can get a nice little trade right here. Can I see some volume coming in here? Okay, that was 79 was great. Might come down again. 77. Might be one dip here. Maybe I'm chasing this too low. I don't know. 70s. It's all within this big gap, this 5 minute green gap here. So the low of this is going to be 62. So anything lower could be useful. All right. Okay, looks like a whole low 70s, mid 70s. 74. Nice, beautiful dip, mid 70s. Nice. All right, we'll stay patient. All right, just gonna try one more time and not be able to break down, and I'm gonna take it. Watch this. I'll take 400 shares. It's low down here, and you never know. So make an attempt to break. Ah, kind of missed it, right? Kind of missed it at 77. Kind of missed it. 80s now. We could see it 69. Just a nice little dip down here. Fail. And then curl. Here we go. Here we go. Fail under 74. Hopefully I'm right, because if this is going to be a massive flush, that would suck. There are buyers here. Oh, I pressed it. All right, 81. 81. What's it gonna be? My stop is gonna be. My stop has to be tight, man. It's like. Green volume has shifted, which is good. So we're looking pretty good. Wouldn't want to see this back at 78. But it might go down there again. $78. $79. $77. Pop. I think I'm too early here. I think I'm too early on this. Too early on this guy. I'm gonna take it out. I'm too early on it. I might see a dip here. 76. I'll try one more time, right under 74, watching. If it's not going to be a big flush, it's going to be a 72, 71. Come on. The low of this is going to be, oops. There you go, 71. The low is going to be 62. Under 70. Quick one under 70 did not do it. Here we go, under 70 one more time. People are buying it here. Buyers at 70. Come on. Oh, what else is moving? JDCG. 70 was a good spot, I guess. MLEC. Nice. Uh, let's see. There's a major gap there. Now we also have a bearish gap here. Yeah, maybe. Hold down is 9. Maybe 100 shares. Looking for a curl and NCI, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna get it. '70 was probably the curl. Whatever. Whatever. All right, can we get a trade here? We got a dip down at 42. And the price action sucks today. Can we get a trade? 44. Maybe there's something here. Well, well, well. This thing's still lingering in this gap. It's gonna have to turn around at some point, so waiting for that turnaround to come. I think it'll be right under 70. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling right under 70 setup. Alright, we finally getting this under 60. Am I pushing it too much here? What's the deal? And then we have MLEC here that is hovering right under this red gap. What else do we got? Dang, everything just sucks. I think I'm just gonna take my small L and call it a day. Might squeeze right here. Yeah, look at this. Crazy flush. Man, no chance of a dip. Good thing I didn't push it. I could have gotten caught there. You can tell, you can tell when something wants to. You can tell when something wants to move. Has some signs that it wants to bounce. Like it should have bounced right here. That's the bounce right here. Now we have this here. We would like to see this go now. All the attention can come here. Let's see. Let's see it. Bullish. No. right here. Yep, right there. So right there. 100 shares. Where though? Here? I don't think so. What's this low? 931. 5 minute looks okay. 5 minute looks fine. 5 minute looks good actually. So it's just a matter of find. Ooh, look at this. What? NCI? That would be crazy. Well, if it revives, see it right over 3, could be a different story. Back into this big gap. Shorts are getting squeezed here, thinking they made it. But what a dip. 50 to 80. All right, we'll stay patient. All right, gonna call it here. Down 35 bucks. That's okay. We kind of fumbled the bag here on one of these trades. So, and the momentum has been pretty slow as well. So we took a trade here, caught in a hold down, almost got saved at the end there. And got a beautiful trade right here, just 50 shares. Really small size, nothing big. Considering the day and considering how slow Momo is, so 35 there. Took another trade up here. Uh, what was this? Yeah, dip into this gap, got out flat, and I tried it again. No, then I tried what was this? Yeah, this was another dip into the gap, out 74, out the rest flat. So pretty much that's what that's what it did. I guess the best trade was this one, and I guess instead of selling, I could kind of hold and add to it based on how the strength looks. We also had a small red gap right here, so I'm thinking might see some slight resistance there. Anyway, let's see NCI. We fumbled this one pretty bad. We didn't trade any of this, which offered a good right here. 1 minute fair value gap right here. Nice, which gave a dip. Then maybe it offered another one right here with a dip here, which gave a solid move. But we took this entry here, 320 on this gap. Immediate resolution out 34. I had an order out at 41, and I'm just watching it. I'm watching it, and I'm trying to get out. Wasn't able to get out because my order was out. So my flattened order didn't work. I had to cancel it, then get out. So basically, ate the whole flush out 30, out at 3. So down 53 bucks on that. Then I tried to take another trade down here, which down 14 bucks, going for the reclaim. This is all within a 5 minute or 1 minute fair value gap, or 5 minute as well. I'm not sure. So looking for the curl didn't happen. I looked for it a bunch of times, but nah. He gave some really solid moves, right? But yeah, ain't gonna be it. Anyway, um, yeah. So let's see. So that's pretty much the day. It's pretty much the day. 50% accuracy. My losers were bigger. 6 trades. Yeah, that's all right. We'll take it. We'll take it. We fumbled that trade. Slow day on a Friday. Yeah, we're not gonna push it. Anyways, so very good start of the month. Finishing the week up nicely green, so we'll take that. And then we'll come next week. Next week with oh, Monday is holiday. Okay, darn it. All right, so come Tuesday then, 3 day week, 3 day weekend. So yeah, I'll do a lot of review, I'll do a lot of work, and come Tuesday, we'll be more prepared with bigger size and taking advantage of every opportunity. So come over to Mr. Profit, create your account, try our free trading analysis tool. So select the broker, add a file right here, boom, open, use trading analysis tool. It'll tell you which dates, click analyze, and that's the view that you will get. No charts, you got to create your account to see a chart. You create an account that's free. And if you look at our pricing model, you get 100 trades imports per month. So with those 100 trades, you can see your chart. So you can try it out for free. Try it 100 trades, or give a 7-day free trial. Import all your data and see what Mr. Profit tells you. We have more accurate representations of our data than other analysis, older trading journals. Meaning, you get to see more exact numbers. I like this, right? So I like these numbers here. Boom, exact numbers, average cent per share, average quantity. How much is my quantity per trade, right? How many shares am I taking per trade? This is beautiful. Accuracy, profit factor, biggest winner, biggest loser, average winner. Yeah, so this is good, right? So almost 2 to 1, average winning trade, average losing trade. That's good. Um, a lot of losing trades, more losing trades than winning trades. That means my accuracy is low, but as long as these average winners are looking good, then that's all we care about. Anyway, so you can also do winning versus losers. So yeah, good. So you get to see your stats, winning days versus losing days. Anyway, we have accurate data as well. So you get to see 15 seconds. You even get to see this even more accurately too by the seconds. So by the seconds. So if you're a super hyper scalper like I used to be, this is so useful for you. But I like the compact manner. Compact, under 15 seconds. Most of my trades are under 15, but you can see that I make my money in this range, which is amazing, amazing. Um, what else? And then we have price reports. So price reports this month has been, or this year has been, yeah, basically all of these 5 to 10 I've been losing, but anything under 5 has been a winner for me. Anyway, so that's awesome. So come over to Mr. Profit, create your account, and get to see your stats. Give us a try for $5 a month. Comfortable price, honestly, very affordable pricing, and then 50 a year for what we offer. So many of our users are really happy with the pricing. They're looking for more features. So I'm going to release more features soon. So stay tuned. Come join us. Hit me up on Discord if you have any questions, and I'll see you next week with more trading.